We'll continue to track the political developments in Rajasthan as they develop. Now, at the 17th meeting of the WMCC panel to resolve the border disputes at the LAC, both the nations reviewed the situation and the ongoing disengagement process. Speaking to CNN News 18 Shreya Dhondiyal, GOC-in-chief of the Northern Command, Lieutenant General Y.K. Joshi, said that after 4 hours of talks, disengagement is gaining momentum, adding that the army will not compromise on securing the borders and will continue to restore the status quo.
Sir, 21 years after Kargil, India is facing yet another challenge at its borders. Could you tell us, could you tell the country, what is the situation on the ground right now?
Well, Shreya, it's a predicament that we have two live borders. That notwithstanding, the Indian Army has acquitted itself with distinction, defending the territorial integrity of the nation and maintaining the sanctity of its borders. Along the northern borders, we are presently engaged with the PLA in a military dialogue to resolve the situation. A process of disengagement has been initiated after 4 rounds of talks at the Corps Commander level, and the same is happening on the ground, and also being verified by commanders on the ground to ensure its veracity and correctness. It's a complex and integrated process which needs diligent execution. Once we have been able to achieve the complete disengagement, we would transcend to de-escalation, which would obviously be guided by the principle of mutual and equal security. The Indian Armed Forces would take all measures to ensure the security of the line of actual control.
Sir, the RM has made a realistic assessment of the process of disengagement when he was in Ladakh, that there is no guarantee to what extent talks will help. What is your assessment as far as the talks and the process of disengagement is concerned?
Well, Shreya, there's a method to every process. And our ongoing military engagement with the PLA in an effort to diffuse the situation is no different. There is a certain commitment required from the two sides, which is essential for the process to move ahead positively and deliver the outcomes that are desirable. There are certain factors, though, such as the territorial integrity of the country, that are not negotiable at all. And hence, there is no question of compromising these. While we are investing sincerely in this ongoing endeavor to bring about peace along the borders, we also remain prepared at all times for any eventuality.
Sir, how long will the standoff in eastern Ladakh continue in your estimation? Do you see this stretching through the winter?
This is a hypothetical question, I would say, which would lead me to make conjectures. What I can tell you in simple words is that we shall continue all efforts to restore the status quo ante along the line of actual control. I believe that negotiations and the process of disengagement and the commitment of both sides to adhere to the laid down methodology would dictate the timelines of the standoff.